So 2015 girardin bluebird microbus. This is the OEM the student loading door motor. ZD1347A-QL 15013000038. So this is a 12-gear motor. I swear it looks like a window motor regulator off of a Ford Fusion or even something like that. But here is an online equivalent. Has the same connector, 3 points. So here is the window motor. There. Get the rotation correct, and bam. So same 12 gears, and where is it? This number, the one, focus, the ZD1347. It's actually listed right here. So 12 tooth girardins, Eldorados.